Oh, cái mạng Zomi đi về thấu trong thiểm tổ lâu hi maybe around 30,000 in Mizoram. Chú mi te ai ở chân chỉ bảy cái bộ cái chú. Ama sabihin ka poi khop maya pu ginzala la kan MLA hova local tour kan niya. Ama ero chu assembly session laklo ani. Adot lea flight cancel awangin tikhan kan buai ta a train pay chun lo la thleng lo nin ka hria chu wang chuanin Mizoram lam kha kan chiang kuang talawa apoi ti khop apoi ka ti khop mai nimina kai keima ka in soi to a kapa chu kapu chu chaltlang khuwa thir deng ani tivel ka soi to kha khampaw ani tivel ka soi to kha du tok ta ila min soma kalom a Spring Revolution ma in khotin siam le salai lian luai te nen kan in koma ka interviewa chumizoa Reverend Dokham Aizal Klapa ka rei tak kan ti Chief Minister muadua anua nikuma Maryland le Indiana mizode chief guest kania chumi ma chuan Dr. Sasanen kan in muboka. Chung zong ka ngai to le chuan during those maybe 15 years, what we had said is about in Pumkhatna. That is the exact topic we have today. Chu wang chuan kalom a voina hian in zawai chunga lom thu ka soi thar le ani. If we divide, we are going to perish. If we unite, we are going to survive. Voi eng tia reinge divide and rule policy manghian hen nam hi min tender to. Chuwang chuan voi ni kan in unite hun turani to. Imol to lawang u ti hini. Mizoram lama changa thu kan ron ken ve chu. Eng poni say you know that I have to say some of my speech in English. And Andrew asked me media to present about media, fake news, disinformation, misinformation in social media, especially about Myanmar Spring Revolution. Titsuan masabera tsuan kan overview kan ita se slide masaber ko ngayon. Oh, ni February sang nila ni pakata ain trana Conferen uprising nasa berpola ni Southeast Asia page 1 til makle danglam chu civil servants mizo India ram trong 4 lakhs kantia karin danin 400,000 civil servants in and join uprising hi Conferen a ngailo. That is what you had experienced. This one resistance ka 300 plus towns, not villages, in towns. Adot le PDF a khan mi nuai khat mizo trongin voile khata amakani hetiang hi resistance hian a ngai lovanti. Next slide. Amma ero chu intria a mi makta duai tel min affecta ani. Why are we here? Why are we here in Malaysia? Engzat nge ngai tuara chung zong more than 3 millions. Mo tu na hen displaced kan lo ni ta ani chu apoy mani khuate entire towns burned ani a bomalo tla a mi tamtak kan thi chu kan din munani adot le kan topic kha media under suppression ani kha adot le next slide please. Media ani kha chu ta first target to journalist ani ti chuan mi zale somsari 170 plus had been arrested. The Chuan independent outlets can so itak zong ki Mizima, DVB, whatnot. Tuna chun an underground alo ngai ta a. The Chuan internet blackout ania til tam tak limit nein til kan lo ngai thata chu tak chu they are taking an advantage of that propaganda and censorship. Junta kan lo ti chin kha ngani junta ho khan ku kan ti kha enge power transfer antitani moi takin engkim khan police achunga mi kan muthei to silova especially from Mizoram and other areas chu abuai thlak em tani ti chuan engpo a film siamila a video siamila punishment kha anasa a kan report ngambok silova at the same time global media can't focus on Ukraine, Gaza, Afghanistan. So Myanmar receives minimal coverage. Myanmar hi shetuan claim tani. That is the problem we have. This one number 5, please slide. This one global media pum puika silence alone ni taa. Chuchu conflict dangin ati buhay boxia ingwangin kan ti chuan Myanmar hi NATO country alone ni boxi lova. Not a major oil supplier ani boxia. Chuchu Europe velina an ngai poimo khani maita dot le chuanin not central to global security concern antia a omzia chu Chin hilo independence se lo se engpo thleng se chu titakin European an ngai poimo lo. That is the problem we have there. Adot le chuan foreign access a boy thlak an lut ngambok silova a complicated a complex ani Mizoram tan po soi ka du chu these and these are united kantia but at the same time the very next day they are shooting each other chu a boy thlak tani report har as a journalist also things are becoming so complicated. That is one of the reason journalists tan a boy thlak adot le chuan China's and India's influence. The next, that one. Diplomatic shield at the China hian. This one, anmani internal matter ni shiat ve angai love midangtan. Let them solve their internal matters at the mase amma ka enroll siya. In Sheveka, enge ay interest seaport, oil and gas trade route. Omjetsu government control dua, border control dua. No matter who wins, Chin hi chakse poeti chuang lo. Tupo chakse poeti lo. China interest to economy ni man. Dot le chuan India. India is a film kur white and watch ni in country. And not only that, India is in a dilemma. Because KMTTP hi tatmadonena an agreement ni. Country a drink turchu. Mase a physical omna mun ka ngai tu ta ula Chin Arakan area ani boxia. India ka aboy thak atan khan. Adot le democracy ram lian berani. Kovelin India chu democracy raminia chu wangin democracy promote ta che anti boxi. Chulai a chuan aboy ni in country. North East aboy thak ta in Sheveka Mizoram Manipur tlang mi Naga Chin Unaw kan ni wangin India hi a film kur Unaw vek kan ni boxia. Dot le kan buhay na chu crime manitani. Smuggling chung changa. Mizoram kan minister tele mitam takin heta thuka soido na mincha chu khongai takin ron soiro minti a. At hei sham chuan Mizoram drug smuggling ti maila drugs trade ti top turin thei top ini chang rualang u. Chumiatan chuan ka som che u. Adot le hemi awang hian Zomi hi kan ming chia. Chu wangin kan ming chia na tire tur chuan heta hian thei top chu atang rual turin ka som che u. Dot le chu border issues chung changa India hi abuai. Free movement regime country border fencing country border trade country heng zong song hian India wants to do something but waiting and watching it seems. Chu thilom ziani enge nga chu kan traffic enge mon ni hi athleng don Myanmar hian ti asia shevek to mase engtin nge thlen don ala she chi boxi lo chu wangin we are waiting for the next step it seems. Chu country at kaduan ti datot lesson politics sa NCSN and oma ulfan oma Manipur la buhay na tamtak India ram chunga problem an siama Myanmar chunga no man's land an let le kami vel wang khan intelligence group ina an soi chu India tan hena boy thlakati tin Chin hi buffer zone ta na man tum mai thei anti boka achu balam chu ka se thuilo ka soi tum chu media ani kha ti chuan next slide media as lifeline o kami ma khani ka ring media as lifeline number 7 ania poi chuang love ka soidu chu he uprising awang hian especially youth thalai rual tlang mi te phai mi te mitam takan lo unite ta a ma a thu khat vongai lo mi pakhat ningai lo kha mi pakhat an lo ni pha ta hei hirem changa imang thia mang u adot le chu rise of citizen journalist ani countryat angkhan citizen tam tak journalist tam takin an tho thei tak lo wangin kan vai hian citizen journalist kan lo ni ta ni kan theina la ya pianga chu wang chuan kan trananga ya thudik kan soya ngai boka adang le chuan social media spreads chu ta chuanin chin poni chuang lo Myanmar pum puya sipai sarkari na poyan khoi hi mizo tong chuan sual sipai kan tia chu mi sarkari na poyan khoi chu atam thei ang perfel taka kan record angai kan document angai chu mi tan chuan kan vain mo kan phur adot le chuan diaspora zong zong atam zo ki kan nin ka ringa Malaysia USA mo klan dar ta te hi hemi te zong zong hian mo kan phur na sabik achan chu Myanmar chunga chuan engma ti thein nei lo keini hi an ai o kan nia kan trang turani chumi tan chon keimani theina la ya pianga lobby nga te engpo ni ro se chumi tan chon pathianin mo phurna min pe ni engwangin nge heta hian kan om thei kan unau tam tak ten heta om hian du asin US citizen ni po an chak ve sin ma se an thei lovani nangini theya chuti ni chon mo phurnai nei pathianin a bik takin aruat che ti hi pom turin ka du che dot le chuan responsibilities of the diaspora heta hian ama asoi ka du chu India le Mizoram free move India hian Mizorama Raltlante tan free movement asiama free access asiama shelter asiama food medical treatment employment education ingai tu ang uhe hi India that zia hi condemn turani lo tuna khan Aizol hospital pathum pali katloa chen khat chu kan unau te Raltlan silai mu tuar te mitam takan ni man theyan ni ma se India chuanin mai mi ching engma mulo theyani chu wangin lom na changi hria ang u alom om kati adot le chuan Mizoram state hi one of the poorest states in the whole of India kan traffic chuti chung chuan kan ration bu fai te kan health care kan engkim a maximum in kan in share tu na hian chu wangin Zomi unau te hi lom tu soitur kan ni vein ka hria Mizoram ne na hian chu wang chuan churil ru chu kan put angai chuti rual chuan Mizoram mizo te hi kan thalo narrow mindedness so many things are there chung zong zong a chuan min thiam turin kan du cheu there will be some kind of awareness very soon chu katiam ngam chewin ka hria dot le chuan journalism hi profession zirngai nia kadam chung hun tam zok hi media tan ka manga kan zir thina ni we are professionals but the time has come social media mitin hi broadcaster kan ni theita producer kan lo ni theita that is the main problem now ti chuan freelancer vek kan lo ni ta chuan buai thak ta ni kangen du che u chu thalai engem zatin localin karinga youth group the YouTubers those who are making reels in IG or whatever I don't know kangen du na cheu thil reng a viral mine you'll have to confirm it first confirm it that is what we all have to do adot let you AI material synthetic material now we know that the military government are using these things your face your voice so let us be very very careful on that adot let you always control your emotions entinan ilau mai theya ithinari mai theya ibe dong mai theya you may have so many very high hopes while you have these emotions take care till it type te itu soite film kurang che achan chu emotions nen thil kan so yen even myself also kan lo thu kan lo war lu tuk pal thei lau chung te in chu wangin control yourself adot le chu protect sensitive information ingai dana dikhi I then om te tana dik lo mai thei so kan thiamin ka ring neighbors what I'm talking about neighbors is a very wide aspect what is correct for you may not be good to your neighbors mase tuna po hian live stream taila khovelin shedon advantage becomes disadvantage chu wang chuan kangen du cheu chu film khurang cheu ingai dana dikhi midang ta na poi thei dot le chu lelam polin your opponents an mani advantage an mang thei ke mani video clip tho hi an mani advantage an mang thei chu wangin I produce ma in iti chu ma in film khurang che adang le chu never live stream this kind of closed door meetings never oh kangen tak cheu engkimin filter ranga heta tranga kan resolution chin chia hi life puangang u heta voitam tak kan in nial mai thei one may say the other thing one may say the other thing never live stream and a conference like this adot let you always try to maintain the journalist decorum like when what how and the impact and the care your comments om je chu nimin mai khan le yamin what is nimin mai mo hey an anasale lu tu kan in ka pani where is the place khang khat chian ngai tun lai chuan documents akan man don chon your voice khoi muna nge athen engtika nge athen engtin nge athen what is the impact chumi nen chuan ti tumang cheu adot le chuan media outlets tra reng chu I support ang u chen kha chu an huai ania in ka laiten video an thlan lo la an comments a tlangwal huai sen an omani chumi te chu how mai ti reng su let us support enge ni tlangwal tlom ngai huai sen kan ai o aral do ve thawan ni mo kan cell phone hi kan silai ani these days chu wang chuan khatiang mi te kha support ang u mi huai sen mi tai ma mi in pe we have to give them shelter also I hum hi mang u adot le chuan let us share accurate stories thu dik chu thatakin share ang u thu dik lo chu achwa ma in let us filter content dik lo chu I filter ang u content dik chu I spread ang u oh chu lo le chu kan du chu intelligence group pakhat omse chumi de chuan media content local zongjong hi low study ro se ti chuak tu masaberni hitum ngai su atul lo chu I chon let it be filtered first and only after that let it spread oh intelligence group emo WhatsApp group whatever I don't know omse chumi te chuan content khalo check ro se oh this is good let it go this should never go out kan khalo ti ro se we need somebody or some forum to do things like that dot let you authenticity hi apoi mo don all the contents we have now we had accumulated now are going to be an evidence of witness later on I have seen the Holocaust Museum. The same thing we need, those photographs, everything. But it should be well documented, categorized. To do that, we need something. We need an expert. And tinan in kape mo bomatla engtika mo koi khuange he takhi engma kan hriat silo chuan if we don't have that kind of supporting documents we will abuai thak oh adot le chu enga nge Google Drive emo kan share kan da khom lo fully categorizing ti chuan mun tin atangin an lo share thayang ti chuan kan tang rua lang eng tika emo kan mamo donin ka hretlat chumi tan chuan ho ui tang rua lang utin ka som cheu ani adot le chuan Zomi also we have two local dialects hei hi kan in tender na man rua turani lo kan in sui khom na turani to make us broader lian zo ka min siam tu chumi tan chuan kan media person ten hei hi imang thiamang u dot le chuan always try to be positive entirnan thil kan ti na zong zonga kan media person ten thil dik lo soya nuam it's very easy to say and it's every easy to criticize somebody but whenever you do these things make solutions mo heti zo khian ti ni se heti hian a tha ang kha omro se chumi a omlo chuan criticism ringot chu engma abua a omlo adot lea mi puita na she om mo chu wang chuan a solution the brighter solution chumi I hriat lo chuan engma hi broadcast hei hi thazok ti hi min ko mu tur I nei lo chuan chu ka ngen du che le unity through media adang omjia chu media hi for brotherhood not for division media hian min tender su se media hian min sui khom ro se this is our AK-47 this is our rifle this is our gun media is becoming kan vain kan nei vek amana tlom boxi chu wangson enga nge hei hi man ruwa kan man lo adot le chuan midang success hi celebrate angu ani mai the antinan kachin kareni chin whoever an lo tlin chuan let us clap our hands kan che thiamem chu ti chuan le lampol khan hlom khat angin min muang chumi ni lova pakhat le pakhat kan ti chuan again division min tender le don this is the high time ahun lutu kanitu ni kan in celebrate ton adot le chuan reject divisive narratives in tender na thulam chi reng chu let us reject in the first place chu poi mo ni pathian thu tang pon dikin ka sia unau indo in kap chumi le ta angai no mai thei subscriber nga pha mai thei ma se iram ta na poi iram hi number 1 ani chu wangin ka ngen du che an in kap ani pon engemo a omani point forget it chu ai chuan unity zel khai porang u chumi tan jon ka ngen du che u adot le chu we have to make a kind of a shared platform kami zong tenen khan wider picture hingai tu aro how many tlangmis are there kami tenen na inzom khom na thil kha khatiang forum engemo kan nei atul em adot le chuan careful about your language the language aza angai amoy angai ko san trong kam te hi amoy em why don't we use those language achan chu bit we are living engeni pacifically atlantic ralle lama kan oma heta itong mai maya heta mi na lo ngai thla a poi lutu trong kam za trong kam moy among our Mizo brothers also I used to say these things khoya po trong kam za trong kam moy imangang u adot le chu respect diversity kanin ang tak don lo khoya mo we have our own distinct culture traditions whenever we say unity we cannot unite in all of that aspects chu wangin engemo kan diversity hi chu we have to accept chu country tel reng angai afel ma se zomi tong athiam lo min ti big su min accept ro mo khatiang chia khan kami kanin accept ton lo chuan kan lian thei lo tun hi len kan mamo hunani dot le chu idu ang chin state a hen enge thlengang ti vel hi a picture ziak thin ro we are about to construct a very beautiful house you are the architect why don't you try to build that house imaginary house very beautiful bright I don't know how to say in real ro reng ro se chu mi in a om lo chuan in be dongang mo that hope kha be se na kha bo su se be always be positive adang le chu media kan soya wangin artificial intelligence YouTube pa channel lui tak kanaya ka o mang hian mizo trong kha hey large language model kha an siama ka o kha chu a transcribe thei to mizo trong in dik takin ti chuan now we need around 500,000 connections for that AI to active mase tuna 50,000 vel chau kan laneya within this year kan peyang that Mizo language is going to be mother of all the languages around here so that if chu kan pe chuan Zomi trong dang zong po all someday in kan ti thei don in country chu ni kuma ka US visitor ka lot lin na nia chu wangin kan lom em ti chuan aro puilai chu kan trong hi kan survive don athi don mia lo lau su technology hian ati lum don lo ati nung jok don I'm very very hopeful on that chuan ka zo atop na ber chu indo na reng chuan first casualty chu truth ani thu dikhi athi ma saberzia enge kan sipai unaw ten an soi unaw may not be the right word anyway tat madoin engen soi dot upon dot layers and layers of dot ani chutiang khovel kan omawang chuan film khurangai keiniero chu pathian nam thlan kan ni I need to proudly say that pathian nam thlan kan ni chu wangin thu dik le thu tak mangin kan ding chuakang chu ipom nga mang let us accept that thu tak mangin kan ding chuakang chu wangin engtik lai point thu tak le thu dik hi I hum hi mang u the revolution depends upon that truth chu ka soi du ani kalome